Welcome creatives. So in this video I'll be showing you one website you must know. Now there are many websites you must know as a graphic designer, but I'm going to show you one website you must know. I'm going to show you one out of all. So one website you must know as a graphic designer. So this website is where you download PNG resources, HD quality PNG resources for your designs. So the name of the website is PNG Wing. So open your Google Chrome and type PNG Wing. So this is how PNG Wing looks like. So here you can download many resources, many high quality PNG resources. You can download them in your phone. Now these are many of them. So stop begging for resources. Okay, let me show you how this app looks like, or how to download resources easily from PNG Wing. So if you click on any icon or anything you want to download, and click on download this PNG, and then you click alphabet in order and download PNG. So here you can see 0, 9, C and H. So this is 0, this is 9, this is C, and this is H. So if you click on it, you wait for your design to download. You can see file downloaded. So that is it. Now I saw this WhatsApp icon and I love it and I want to download it. I'll click on the WhatsApp icon, scroll up and click on download this PNG, and this is it. I will download the WhatsApp icon in my phone. So there are many things to download here. So if you didn't see or if you didn't get a particular thing you want, you can click on this search bar. So for instance, I want to download Facebook icon. I'll just click on Facebook icon. So these are many Facebook icon. I can click on this and search 3D Facebook icon. So you can see it, you can see many of them. So I love this particular one. I'll just click on it, scroll up and then click on download. So that is that, downloaded. Very easy and very simple. And the sweetest part of it is that you don't need to worry about removing the background. These are PNG resources and we are not going to enhance anything. These are HD PNG resources. So look at this Telegram icon. I love this Telegram. I love this 3D Telegram icon. I'll just scroll up and then click on download this PNG, and that is it, downloaded. Very simple. So you can get many. There are many things to get here. There are many things. I love this one. There are many things. I love this. You can also download stock images. You can download stock images here. There are a number of things. I love this. I saw something now. Check out this. You can use this for a design. Let me just download it. Let me download it. I love this. So many things to download. So this is it. So this is just what PNG Wing looks like. So go ahead, and this is not an application though, this is a website. So just go to your Google Chrome and type PNG Wing and download any kind of PNG resources for your designs. So that is that. I love this. I love this. Yeah, downloaded. I love this as well. I love this. Yeah, this is nice. So don't worry, you'll see these resources on my next design. I love this. You'll see all this on my next design. Just wait. So there are many things here. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I drop interesting videos here on a daily basis. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload any interesting video like this, YouTube will just notify you. So that is that. So I'll see you on the next one.